How to make a room in Character AI. Hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can create your own room in Character AI. To be able to create a room, you're going to have to look over here on the left side. As you can see, there's an option Create. Simply select that and you will be able to see these options over here, either create a character or create a room. Simply select the room option. And as you can see, these are the instructions you need to complete. You have the new room name, let's say testing for now. Then you can select your characters. You have the different characters available over here. Simply select them. You could add multiple characters if you want. And after that, you could have room topics over here. And then simply click on create it. And just like that, you will be able to create your room in Character AI, as you can see over here. Then you can simply talk to them and make them talk to each other as well. And that's it guys. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.